All right, YouTube, welcome back, man. I'm here, got another unboxing of the Babyliss Tomb45 edition. The last set I had were the Babyliss FX1 with the rechargeable clip, and I thought that was gonna be it. But when I saw these drop, I didn't know if they had like pre-order, and they came fast, and they also came with charging pads, right? So I watched some videos on Chris Balsio talking about the product and how it took him about 3 years to piece it together with the Babyliss. And he also stated that if you buy these as a set and they do not come with the charging pads, so to reach out to him, message him, let him know, because they're supposed to come with the charging pad. But the box, here it is. Oh man, this is cool. And of course, people talk about the art that's inside, basically showing how he developed the product. So inside, you have the typical. You got the typical screwdriver, the charger, and where I guess you can use to charge the pads. We'll kind of take a look at that in a second. So here, okay. Oh, they come right out. Oh yeah, they feel. Oh yeah, this is nice. And they feel just like some regular Andes. They feel just like some regular Babyliss. And they're not as long as the regular skeleton Babyliss that you have. So then they have a they don't feel as powerful. Oh, okay, there it is. So you can see the indicator. You hold the TS. Oh yeah, so you hear you getting full. Yeah, I was getting ready to say they didn't seem to be too powerful. And you just touch it, and it has the light indicator just showing you the power. I don't know if they seem to be zero gap. They seem to be zero gap, so I don't know if you can really tell. But they seem to be zero gap. I'll go get a pair of my other ones, my Babyliss. I got so many pair of them just to compare the size of them. All right, so let me open up the charging pad, see what this is about. I don't know if I even have space for it on my station to. Oh, it looks legit though. Oh yeah, so yeah, you just plug it into the C port, and it looks like that'll be it. I wish I could have something to show you where it charges. So yeah, I like the charging pad. I'll see where I could actually put them in. So let me get rid of all this. Okay, and then we got the I don't want to come out. Yeah, oh yeah. So here's what they look like. And this thing is, oh shoot. Oh, they got green green blades. It's only 6 blades. So I'm assuming the half, the 1.5, the half, the 1, the 1.5, the 2, the 3, and the 4, and the typical same thing, and the thing for the charging dock. I'm trying to take these bad boys out of here. Okay. Yeah, nice little Nice little weight to them. Oh yeah. Got the click level. Oh yeah. You see. These are not necessarily zero gap, but I wouldn't really want these to be zero gap. They feel like some Masters. They feel like the Andes Masters. Oh yeah. And that's not even high power. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can feel the power. You can most definitely feel the power. So, oh yeah. So I'm gonna get some I'm going to get my Masters and some other Babyliss, I don't know why I keep saying that, Babyliss skeleton trimmers, just to compare so you guys can have an idea of what to expect. So you can see the charging pad turns red when there's nothing on it. So I think, maybe I got it wrong. Oh yeah. Gotta put it here, slide. Oh, it turns green. You can see that. So it has it like, even though I'm holding it up, it has like this little bar here at the bottom. And it charges. Seems like real easy. So of course you can tell that the blade is made a little different. I bought some skeletons, and I also bought the new FX1, and it seems as if these are longer. The skeletons are actually longer. The OG Babyliss trimmers are longer, but it seems like these are identical in size, weight. So you can kind of see. So if you're not too sure, the FX1s are very similar to this. And this feels like, you see that this is actually bigger. I didn't know that. All right. I don't have a weigher, but it seems somewhat the same. But as I was stating, these look very identical. I figured they did. As far as in weight, this seems a little heavier, so these are pretty decent. So just to, oh yeah, they powerful. Oh yeah, they powerful as hell. I can't wait to use these. And sit here. So again, place it on the charger. You can see it. Oh, that's live. I like that. Just by setting them down. Here are some of the the guards. This is a 2-guard. They seem hard as heck. Very firm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Seem like they, oops, I need to get used to. Oh, they're easy to take off. Oh yeah. And they're very snug too. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Yeah, so you have a total of, put this back on the charger, about six guards. They feel great. I'm gonna charge them up, and I wanna try to do a taper. I'm curious to see how these are. Now, when I purchased these, I like the way they feel, both of them. Once I zero gapped it, and maybe it is the graphite blade, but my graphite blade, it's the same blade, 707B2, yeah. So for whatever reason, these hit better than these. And I zero gap both of them. I don't know. They hit, they cool, but I can do finishing touches with these. And they both have the same exact blade. So I don't know too much of what that's about. This is a Babyliss Pro blade. I'm curious to see how they work. Me knowing Chris Basio, just from watching a lot of his videos, his edges, his liners are gonna be on point. Him, Bean, Sean Cuts Hair, and some of the other guys. Oh shoot! Oh, that comes off as well. I heard about that, and I completely forgot about that. So, and can you use them? Yep, you can use them while this is off too. So that's a plus. I'm gonna have to get used to turning it around. So when you pick them up, they go. So that's gonna be a plus. So again, I'm gonna cut up, do some tapers and see what it do, and let y'all know my honest opinion. But they feel good in your hand. So we'll see. We'll check them out, man. I bought some tools to compare them with, and you can be able to make a judgment for yourself. But check out these cuts. Yo, check this out. Man, YouTube, I finally used them. So these things are, they tough. Like they are, I turned up the TS power to the high mode. Cause I didn't think they were as powerful at first. They fade extremely well. You saw that in the video. These straight bangers. Sometimes I use, and of course I have the high power mode on. Being able to pick them up just like this off the powering station and start edging, that was a plus. I didn't think it would be such a big deal, but it is a plus. These things hit. So I compared them to these, to the FX1s, okay? The power still feels kind of the same. Oh, this one is kind of, I need to fix that. But these edge way better than these. Well, not way better, but better than these, okay? The power is the same, the feel is the same, but this blade has to be the best. Straight out the box, I didn't zero gap anything. Of course, it came with the tool, but these they were good. These were good. I used these on myself, but this blade, what is this? Babyliss Pro blade. This blade, that's the lick. In regards to these, initially, before I turned it to the high power mode, I didn't think that they were as powerful. And when I started using, I thought these were more powerful, but there you go, what. The fading seems the same. Well, actually, it's the same blade. I didn't realize that. It's the same blade. It's the same blade. So you're getting somewhat of the same performance. It feels like the weight is pretty much the same. The feel is kind of the same. These are just a little tad bit smaller, so you can see that. But I enjoy using these. I really, really, really enjoy using them. Now, I'm not too much of a fan of the blades. You'll see, as you've seen in one of the cups, I don't know, they feel hard. They feel, for lack of a better word, just, they kind of feel cheap, so to speak. I have some Andes clippers that I use, and they came with like 1,000,000 blades, and they feel the same way. So I used it on the cut. They didn't feel as comfortable while cutting, so I went to my regular Supreme, and they fit. So I use these. I'm more comfortable with these. These don't feel, they feel better. Maybe it's just what I'm used to. Maybe I got to get used to these. But after one cut, I put these up, and I started using my regular premium guards to set it off. But it's definitely a plus. It's definitely something. If you're interested in purchasing them, I would definitely do it. I'm a clipper connoisseur. I like it. I have 16 pair edges, probably 16 pair of clippers. I really enjoy doing it. Some people spend their money on whatever, but I enjoy purchasing clippers and trying new stuff. And when it's something I don't use, I try to give it to somebody who's gonna use it. But for those of you who are interested in the video, I was using these Ray-Ban glasses with the camera. That's why the footage looks the way it looks. So this is a lot more convenient for me because I video from my phone, but it helps. So I can move as I want. I don't have to worry about getting in front of the camera or whatnot. So that's kind of what I use for those of you who are interested. But this is definitely a plus. If it's something you're thinking about doing, I say go for it. Go for it, especially these. So me personally, I wouldn't get one without the other. And just being able to put it on the charging stand when you sit down, they seem like they were charging pretty fast too. So I don't know. So check it out, man. Look at other videos. I'll leave the description about these, price and all that stuff, and let you guys know. But these were definitely a plus. I will use them again. My clients liked them. They liked the way they felt. So they were top notch. So that's it. That's my review on them, man. Peace out.